This is the second video on how to set up the signature. As you can see on the left, I have MCAP showing the output from the MCV-1. Below it, I have the parameters that can be adjusted on the MCV-1: sharpness, saturation, hue, contrast, brightness. And on the right, you see Michael Burns's MallinCam signature control software. You have the greetings page. And the first thing to check would be, once you've set it up, is to make sure you have the COM ID to 1. You have the right COM port selected, and you can test COM port. Click, and as you see, it says I'm talking to the signature and it's responding. Close, so you know you have the correct COM port identified for the camera. Menu 4 is the digital zoom. And if you want to flip it horizontally, vertically, or positive to negative. Let me start with the digital zoom. Off. Digital zoom is off. By grabbing the slider, you can zoom in and zoom out very easily. I'll turn the digital zoom off. On-camera display. You can click if you want to put some text on, like on, title on. You can put a title. Sun. Sun with 152 display title, and there the title shows up. Now you can move it here. I think you can move it around. No, it's not responding. Lower position. There you can move it up and down. But there's the display. If you want to turn it off, you go off. Off. Display is off. If you want to check the color bars for calibrating your monitor, click them on. There's your color bars. And you can use those to adjust the display, like adjust your proc amp settings down in the properties of the MCV-1. Turn the color bars off. If you want a negative view, click on negative, and there you go. Back to positive. If you see something you like and you want to hold it for your audience, click on. And the image will stay there until you click off. So those are the main properties on the image adjustment tab. Astronomical, I jumped over to the astronomical tab. Oh, let me go to enhance button. Okay, enhance button, horizontal. I'll leave those for now. Let me go to astronomical. DNR, noise reduction. Let me try low. This is not the best of conditions to try changing these parameters because of the cloud. Mid. Basically, anything you could do with the software and the buttons on the back of the camera, you can do with Michael Burns' package here. We'll go back to off, fog, low. Fog is like a coronagraph in blocking out the surface of the sun. Mid, high. And off. Okay. Eclipse, low. And all of these parameters you can play with. Mid. Now you can see by using eclipse, it blocks out the sun. And there's a nice prom coming up at a little bit above 3 o'clock. And high. And off. Sharpness. Get the sharpness on to the sharpness off. Gamma. 0.45 would be the LC, the setting for well, that's all for now since the clouds rolled in. I'll have to do another video to show the rest of the adjustments using the signature control software by Michael Burns. All for